I just used a 4th of July Freddy lure. Oh my gosh, things are getting intense. I'm not even kidding. I just used one. I literally just went into the fight. Here we go. Come on. What would his eyes look like if he just ran at me? Oh! Okay. Not yet, not yet, not yet, not yet. Okay, okay. I feel ya. Come on. Oh my god, he's so good. I'm only using my flashlight just in case. I don't want to, like, lose. Oh, come on. Dang it! It's 2. Come on. Come on. He has a giant firework! Oh my god! Hang on. Guys, we just defeated 4th of July, or Firework Freddy. Let's see if we get anything. Anything? I actually got it! I actually got it! Oh, no, wait. No. Oh my god! No. I actually got it. I actually got it. Oh my god. I get a first try. No. Okay, okay, I'm about to check it out in a second. Guys, I'm about to put it on. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What? I've never seen him before in the workshop. Oh my god, I can't believe he's got a giant freaking Yes! He looks so good! Guys, I'm gonna end the video here. Oh my god, I can't believe I just freaking got that. It was my first try. I didn't think I was actually gonna get anything! Holy crap. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Watch out.